Hello again and welcome back to our JavaScript course. In our last video, we discussed what JavaScript is and its history. Today, we will explore how JavaScript works in the browser and its interaction with HTML and CSS. In this video, we will cover how to create and link JavaScript files to HTML, how JavaScript interacts with the document object model, and some basic examples of dynamic content. Let's start by creating a simple project structure. Open your code editor like Visual Studio Code and create a new folder for your project. Inside the folder, create two files, index.html and script.js. In the index.html file, add the basic HTML structure. Inside the body tag, let's create the heading element with ID title and basic phrases hello world. If we open in browser our file, we can see our text hello world. What's next? Let's link our script to our HTML file. Create the script tag and add the source attribute. Link it to our script.js file. In our case, nothing changed because our script.js file is empty. Let's add some JavaScript to script.js. Like example, we can take our title element, we can take document, get element by ID, our ID is title, and change the inner text of our heading tag and change it to hello JavaScript. Now, when we refresh our page, we can see the new text. Hello, the JavaScript. How JavaScript interacts with HTML and CSS. The document object model, or DOM, represents the structure of an HTML document. JavaScript can be used to dynamically update this structure. Let's modify our examples to change the styles of the heading. Also, take our element, document, get element by ID, title, and for example, change the color style to blue. And next one, again, take the title and change the font size to 2em. As you can see, the color changed, but font size is the same. Like example, we can pass the 72 pixels. And yes, the font size was changing. Also, we can add the event listener for our HTML. Like example, let's create the button. Let's add the attribute AD to button with some value change text button and name change text. Back to our script.js file and add the document, get element by ID. Let's copy our ID, change text button, and add event listener. It will be click with callback function. What is function we will check in our other videos. And we should take our heading element and change text to new one, text changed. Okay, we see our button, and after pressing, the text was changed to new one. This is how it works with listeners when you have the buttons, some text on the page, and how you can interact with it. Examples of dynamic context will be more interesting. In our index.html file, we can create the paragraph and add the date time AD to it. Inside the script, we should create the function. Let's call function update date time. In this case, we will take our element with ID date time and change string to new date. New date to local. One moment, forgot. To local string. And set the interval. Our callback function will be update date time, and our interval will be every 1000 milliseconds. It's equal to 1 second. Let's check what we have now in our browser. As you see, we changed our seconds each time. To recap, we have learned how to create and link JavaScript files to HTML, how JavaScript can interact with the DOM and change the content and style, and how to add interactively with even listener. In the next video, we will delve deep into JavaScript syntaxes and explore variables, data types, and basic operation. Thank you for watching and see you next time.